Hello everyone, and welcome back to another property tour on the channel. Just before we begin, let's take a good look at the details. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you what 100 million naira duplex looks like in the city of Enugu. And if you love videos like this, please do well to subscribe to this channel. My name is Favor Opara, and don't forget to hit your notification bell and stay tuned for more. Okay, now to the tour. So this is the living area with its tastefully finished ceilings and chandeliers. So this particular property is a 5-bedroom fully detached duplex like you've seen, and has 1 room downstairs, which is the guest room, and 4 rooms upstairs. So now let's take a look at what the guest room looks like. One very interesting thing about this property is that all rooms comes en suite with its water heater, its shower, washing sink, and wardrobes. I know you're a little bit confused about the properties in the living area, but I'm going to show you where these properties are going to fit in. Okay, now let's get to my most favorite part of this property, which is the kitchen area. As you can see, the kitchen has an island and also comes with beautiful storage spaces and a cooker. And yes, at the time of filming this video, this building was being cleaned for the new owners. That's you, after you've paid for this property. Okay, and yes, like you saw in the Parlors, the refrigerator is going to be fixed here in the kitchen. It comes with a refrigerator and microwave, so that's an added plus to the property. Now let's tour upstairs. And yes, you know, one good thing about this house is that this house is properly lighted up. It has great source of natural lightings from outside. And also at night you have staircase lightings that could help you see while climbing the stairs. So this is another bonus. Okay, so now let's check out the master's bedroom. The master bedroom comes en suite with, of course, a large bathroom with a water heater, a shower, and a tampered shower glass, which will be fixed soon. Although it's already available, it will be fixed soon. Then a lighting sensor mirror and a wall shelf with its jacuzzi-like bathtub, and of course a very large wardrobe. Another interesting thing about this property is that the view is giving peace and tranquility. Like, it's just giving far away from hustle and bustle of the normal everyday street type of area. And it's just giving luxury. That's what I can say. Now let's look at the second room upstairs. Remember I told you that this house was being cleaned? So just in case you saw those doors and you're wondering why the doors were looking like that, don't worry, they're going to be cleaned, or they're already being cleaned. And as you can see, one of the workers cleaning the windows. So yeah, as you can see, this place is already looking sparkling. In my own opinion, this second room can be used for the second living area or the kids playroom. So now let's take a look at the other 2 rooms. Okay, now this is the third room upstairs, and like I said, every single room in this building comes en suite, and not just en suite, it comes with a wardrobe. Yes, this is the final room, which is the 4th room upstairs and the 5th room in total that we've toured. These are the beautiful chandeliers, and now let's go downstairs. Remember I told you that this particular house is a 5-bedroom duplex which comes with a boys quarter, and I'm going to be taking you down to the boys quarter downstairs. It not only comes with the boys quarter, it also comes with a lawn or a garden. Let's check it out. Just for emphasis, for more information about this property, please check the description box below, because I'm going to give full details in the description box. This property is located in a very high-rising estate in Centenary City, which is the Squatter Lifestyle Estate. And do well to check out my other video. I'm going to be linking it so you see other properties that are available in this estate. So yes, this is the boys quarter, and this boys quarter also comes with a kitchen and its bathroom. Finally, since you all love greenery a lot, we're about to see the area that has been set out for this lawn and garden, and the culturing is going to start as soon as possible. And please do well to like this video. If you love the video, please do well to share it to someone you know might be interested in this property. Make sure you watch my other videos. Tell me your thought. Is this house worth the amount? What do you think about the finishing? Tell me everything. For more inquiries and details, please to check out the contacts or info in the description box. Don't forget to watch my other videos, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye for now.